तिल, मस्से, स्किन टैग्स और वॉट्स। हेलो, आई एम डॉक्टर अस्मिता कपूर और आज हम इन सब स्किन ग्रोथ्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। इनमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है एंड कब आपको एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को कंसल्ट करना चाहिए। स्किन टैग्स क्या होते हैं? दे आर सॉफ्ट ग्रोथ्स, sometimes with a stalk or sometimes absolutely flat. They appear on your underarms, neck and sometimes around the eyelids. They are harmless but can be associated with sudden weight changes like weight gain and obesity, diabetes or hypothyroidism and also may be genetic. Warts क्या होते हैं? They are a viral infection caused by HPV virus. They can be of various types depending upon the location and usually have a bumpy or rough texture with tiny black dots on the surface. Since ये एक इन्फेक्शन है, ये आपकी बॉडी पे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह या फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन भी स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं। कभी कभी ये बहुत पेनफुल हो जाते हैं जब ये पाम्स या सोल्स जैसी साइट्स पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं। मोल्स या तिल क्या होते हैं? These are collection of melanocytes जो pigment producing cells होते हैं हमारी बॉडी में and they usually present on the skin surface as dark brown or black dots or growths. ये फ्लैट भी हो सकते हैं या फिर raised with thick hair growth भी present कर सकते हैं। So how do we differentiate? In short, skin tags are soft growths. They can be outgrowths with a stalk या फिर flat. Then warts are an infection. They have a rough and bumpy texture with tiny black dots on the surface, and moles are usually dark brown or black colored growths that can be flat or raised. But frankly, if you have any of these growths on your body, you need to consult a dermatologist to differentiate between these three types of growths because they are trained for years to differentiate and even safely remove them without any infection or scarring. Now regarding til या फिर moles, some danger signs that you should always be aware of are any color changes, any sudden increase in the size of your moles or irregular borders. These are all danger signs that can present in skin cancers and you have to consult a dermatologist to get these checked out. There is also an ABCDE rule for these moles that can present as melanomas. So A is for asymmetry, B is for border irregularity, C is for color changes, D is diameter increase and E is evolution in the texture and size of the moles. If you have any of these signs on any moles present on your body, please see a dermatologist soon. What about home remedies for these growths? So any kind of home remedies like shaving it off with a blade, putting acid on it, or even tying a thread at the base, these can all lead to infections and permanent scarring. So please do not try these at home. What are the medical treatment options that are present at a dermatologist's clinic? So we do cryotherapy, that is a cold gas therapy for these small growths. We even do electrocautery removal, laser removal or even surgical excision sometimes for these growths. These are all safe procedures when done by a dermatologist and they have minimum risk of scarring and no risk of infection if done properly. When should you visit a dermatologist? If you have any such growth that you are confused about or doubtful about, please do visit a dermatologist for an opinion. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts about your growths, then you can comment in the comment section.